Hello dear little readers. Let's read with me. চলো আজকে আমরা একসাথে কিছু রিডিং প্র্যাকটিস করব। আমরা ফনিক্স দিয়ে খুব ইজিলি রিডিং করতে পারবো। What's in the picture? It's a jar of jam. 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 Is this is jam. This is jam. Is this is not a. This is a can of jam. This is a can of jam. We can call it a jar. Also, we can call it a can. Can means a metal or glass container. His name is Pam. Do you like him? Pam. Pam is a pup, a little pup. This is Pam. This is Pam. This is Pam. Pam. Out. Pat. Pats. The jam. Pam pats the jam. Pat means softly touch. Pat. Pam pats the jam. English is crazy but easy.